Welcome back. This is Chef Rudy. Welcome back to my channel. Jamaica, big up yourself. Enough respect, one love. Happy Easter to everyone. And today we're gonna make curry goat. So curry goat with some rice and gungo peas. So get ready, guys. Let's get cooking. I got my ingredients here. I have some onions, some green onions. We have some coconut milk. I got my goat already seasoned up. Nice goat here, seasoned up, getting ready, seasoned overnight. Got the rice here. I got some gungo peas. So we're getting ready to start, guys. So join me, all right? Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Guys, we're back. And I'm just putting some curry in the pot. I'm just gonna burn my curry a little bit. So getting started, guys. Welcome back to a wonderful video. And we in the kitchen, Rudy's kitchen, cooking again, guys. So I'm gonna pressure this. You know, goat meat, it takes a minute to cook, so I'm going to pressure for 15 minutes and then I'm going to cook it down. All right, I got my goat already seasoned up nice and pretty. Look at that. Okay, nice goat. Ready to cook, guys. I'm gonna let that go down a little bit more and we're gonna start our rice and peas. So I got some water there. We put a little bit of salt. Like a teaspoon of salt, guys, not too much. Some allspice. Some thyme, scallion, we got some coconut milk. We're not doing fresh coconut today. I'm just going with the grace pack. Right there, we're gonna add some gungo peas to my rice pot. Just getting ready. Start boiling already. Looking good, guys. Looking good. nice and creamy. And this is our rice. Just washing the rice, and then we're gonna add that. So guys, we're gonna add the rice. A little bit of black pepper. Salt. And onion powder. A little bit of oil. A little bit of oil in there. And we want to put this on medium heat, guys, so we don't burn. Back to work, turning our goat around again. Looking pretty good. Look at that. Nice. Alright guys, so my goat is pressured already, and we're gonna add it. Take it out of the pressure cooker. Let's see, we're gonna add all our natural season. We're gonna add our potatoes. And we're gonna just let that go down from like another 10 more minutes. So my potatoes and my natural seasons all blend in. And then we're good to go, guys. Welcome my people, welcome all the Jamaicans who are watching. People from the USA, everywhere, all over. People from the Caribbean. Want to wish you guys happy Easter. Okay guys, we're back. We're ready to plate, guys. There you go. Look at that. So nice. We got the rice ready. I steamed some cabbage also. Some cabbage there, steamed some cabbage. Looks like we're ready to plate, guys. Okay, good, guys, looking good. There you have it. Some nice curry goat and a nice charcoal plate with some gunga rice and peas. Happy Easter, everyone. Chef Rudy here. It's the boy. Big up to Jamaica. Big up to the world. One love, everyone. Happy holidays. Respect.